You're filling him up? With what?
From toys.
For toys? And then you're going to give him a ride? I think he might be a little bit full now. Maybe you should give him a ride. Push him around. Heavy with all that stuff in there, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Whee! That's fun.
I'm going.
Oh, you're going to go around?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Move the laundry out of the way. Around the track, yep. Okay, clear the path. There you go. Chugga, 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 chugga. Here they come. I think you might need to take some of those toys out for Samsy. I think he's too squished. Oh, he took those out. He's too squished, sweetie pie. He doesn't want. I don't think he wants it anymore. He doesn't want it. He's too. Not enough room in there for him and all those toys. You want to push him around the track one more time? Oh, I think he wants to go in the car. Can you help him get out?
Too heavy.
Well, just let him hold your hand to stand up. Hold his hand to help him stand up. There you go. There you go. Good job, guys. Taking your suitcase somewhere? Where are you going?
We're going upstairs, right?
Oh, you're going to take your suitcase upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, I think Samsy's going to go for a short ride in the car and then we'll go upstairs.